Find or read reviews that people are talking about GZC smartwatches for men or women. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Smart notifications and Bluetooth call watch. With upgraded noise reduction technology and 20 meters distance supported, GZC smartwatches provide you with better Bluetooth call experience. Connect this Bluetooth watch with Very Fit app. You can receive and make calls on your wrist. This watch for men/women could receive a variety of app messages, such as email, SMS, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok besides alarms, sedentary reminder, and low-power notification. 24 hours health monitor and 100+ fitness tracker. 7/24 sleep, SpO2 monitor on this health tracker will help you get your health date anytime. Meanwhile, stress, breathe could also be tested on this workout monitor. Cycle tracking as a female-friendly design will help a lot for girls. This sports tracker could record 100+ exercise modes, such as yoga, outdoor running, swimming and other exercising, will tell you the accurate step counted, distance and calorie burned. Accompany you to live a healthy life. AI voice control and multifunctional smartwatch. You could ask AI voice assistant on this digital watch to forecast weather, tell stories, make phone calls or wake up AI voice assistant of other devices. Some new functions have been applied on this smartwatch women/men, such as calculator, calendar, games. 7 themes could also be set for your watches as your favor. All these application for yourself will become true on your wristwatch, which will be a progress for the more convenient life. 1.99-inch touchscreen step counter and 100+ customized watch faces. This optimized AMOLED screen watch with better resolution display the picture in a more colorful way. 100+ DIY dials could be set for you on this customized Android and iPhone watch in a variety of styles, such as digital, dynamic, sports, minimalist, everything. Your favorite pictures could also be uploaded to your watch as watch face to let your watch customized by yourself. 3 ATM waterproof workout tracker and 350 mAh long battery life. With a built-in 350 mAh battery, this long battery life watch could last for 10 to 12 days of daily usage. 30 days of standby time and 20 days in power-saving mode with once 1.5 hours fast charging. 3 ATM waterproof on this activity tracker will allow you to dive up to 30 meters besides activities like washing hands, not sports will excite you, date as well. Drain water on this fitness watch after these activates to let you match it better. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.